guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm doing a quick little clean with me and I am now starting to decorate for fall. I'm not gonna lie, it feels kind of silly to decorate for fall when you live in Florida because really we just have one season all year round. And as you can see, I am getting started with my kitchen counter. I have to say this is kind of like the junk drawer of the house. Since we mainly live in the kitchen, everything gets thrown onto this counter. And I also wanted to show you guys my Sips buy box for September. And if you guys aren't familiar, it is a monthly subscription service that sends you personalized tea boxes. This is just the information card. And the first tea was the Storehouse tea in Earl Grey. Also the Organic Sleeping Tranquility. I love the name of that and I can't wait to see if this actually works for me because these dark circles are no joke. And I also received the Dryad Little Bird. I've never heard of this company or even this tea, so I'm excited to try this one. And I just died for the packaging on this one. It is tea head and the flavor is raspberry rose. That just sounds like my kind of thing, so I cannot wait to try this one out. And as always in every box, you do receive muslin tea bags, so if you're using the loose leaf tea, it just makes it so much easier. But back to cleaning, I'm starting here with the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. This stuff is the best for cleaning your countertops. I'm telling you, my countertops have never shined so much until I started using this product. And like most of you guys, I completely forget what I own for each season when it comes to the next year. So what I did first was dig out everything from the garage and just laid it out. And as you guys can see, I don't have a whole ton, which is still exciting because that means I still get to go shopping and buy a little bit more fall stuff for this year. Right here is our entryway. And I have to say, it gets very crowded very quickly just because there is a ton of things always stored here. So after clearing off the top, I wipe it down with the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. And I am so excited to be at the end of this bottle because I am really ready to buy one of those new fall scents. To be honest, when I first bought this entryway table, I had plans of making it such like a Pinterest photo op, but it has always looked so cluttered and so ugly, so I really need to spend some time into styling this with a purpose and not just holding Jackson's shoes and hats. And back into the kitchen. This is now the bar side. Again, just going down and cleaning everything first because you know dust is just everywhere. I swear this antler candelabra is like one of my favorite things that I own. I can just never find the perfect place for it. So as you guys see, I will move the fall decorations around quite a bit until they kind of land to where I think it fits right. Onto our dining room table. I thought Jackson was going to help me this day, but he was just more interested in eating Pocky sticks, so he was just back and forth in between asking me to open the bag for him. My mom really loves these seasonal napkins, so you'll see me switch them out in just a minute, but I swear I've never purchased them. My mom just loves stocking me up with them. And what is the fall season without a fall scented candle? This one is Sweater Weather. I had it left over from last year, so I'm just gonna light that to get the mood going. And what is a clean with me video without showing how many times I have to reheat my coffee? And to get Jackson involved in fall, since he's only 3, he doesn't understand what fall is. Like I said, we live in Florida, we only have one season, so telling him how leaves change color and fall to the ground is kind of silly to him. So after showing him a few pictures and videos on YouTube, I bought these stickers just to go in the window so he can kind of feel like that fall feeling. And if you guys have been missing my little Princess Elle, she is 4 months now. She's been taking a nap, so now that she's up, I'm gonna pop her in her little bumbo seat, and I am so excited that she can actually sit in this thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the dishes and then pretty much just play with the kids. When she's sleeping, I try to get as much cleaning done as possible so that when they're both awake, I can just be with them solely and not do anything else. But thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comments below, and then I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!